Sa kakatapos recently lamang ng Philippine Music Awards, marami ring natanggap ng mga awards ang ating SB19 The King of P-Pop sa Lionheart TV. Narito ang listahan at halos lahat major awards din for SB19. Congratulations!
Watch out for her dark side, yeah, she got some sharp eyes. See her for the first time, never let her out my sight. I just wanna stay up, look at you all made up.
Congratulations SB19! This is the 10th Aurora Awards. Ito ay gaganapin at ang seremonya ay this November 2025 bago magpasko. Kaya again, congratulations SB19 at 18!